Welcome to my FreeStyler tutorials. Today I'm going to show you how to use sound to light extension in order to control your lights via sound. So what you want to do is download sound to light for FreeStyler. Just look up sound to light FreeStyler and download that. I don't know why it doesn't come with FreeStyler. It should. And then what you want to do is go to config on this utility. And you want to make sure that auto start is on. And I have on top here just for so it doesn't disappear while I'm working with other things. You can see it in the foreground. In any case, so yeah, you want auto start to be there. That way every time you open FreeStyler, it will start. So there's a couple things here. There's multiply, which you can set how many times the beat is multiplied by. And then you have divide. So if the beat is too fast, you can slow down the transition by making it 4 times. So every fourth beat, it will trigger your, your transition or your, random sequence or however you have it set. I like to keep it on off or 2. Those seem to work the best. Sometimes on a fast song, I'll set it a little bit higher, but for the most part, it works pretty good on off. So next, we're going to open up this little yellow bars thing here, which is our sound control. It's on the FreeStyler side, the interface for messing with, the sound. So jump to next step on Q. So if we open up our cues from the previous video, you'll see that we have all of these sounds or react to sounds off. So it will react to sound. We had to check these boxes. And in here, you want to make sure wait until triggered is enabled. Loop all sequences works best for me. Start with first scene. I like having that selected. And when those things are selected, when you go to play some music, let's say you have a beat going here, and you start playing your cue. 1, 3, 4, 5. So if I start the music, every time there's a drop, it switches. Now if I set the divider higher, the transitions will be further apart. So it depends on how elaborate your transitions are. You may want to adjust your divider. So there's an option here for disable fades. So this means it'll jump. Your mirrors or your moving head will go as fast as it can to the new location. It won't, slowly transition. And your RGB lights, they won't go red to pink to purple to blue to, it'll just go red, blue, just suddenly, just blue. On that, there won't be a transition. And that's what I like with my MX moving mirror light. It seems to work really well. A really nice effect. But if you have moving heads, you may want a nice fade. I like open source / royalty free music. Not the most beautiful to listen to, but it does the job. So in any case, let's say we don't want to have cues, we just want it to dance. You can actually set random DMX values, each fixture separately. And as you can see over here, it's randomly swapping the gobo values as well as the positions. And if it doesn't automatically start that, you may need to close your cue window. And that's about all I have to say about it, other than a few things over here. So let's say you want to have all your lights shut off when the music goes into a lull. You can go blackout when no beat is, and then you can set this down so that it goes off immediately, or you can have a delay on it when it detects that no sound is. This is the delay for your sound not being active, how long it wants to wait. Do you want to wait 2 seconds, or you want to wait like a second? If you set it too low, it may black out all the time, even when music is active. If you set it too high, it's going to wait too long. So I like a setting of about 1200 milliseconds, slightly more than a second. That seems to work well for me. Start sequence if no sound is detected. So if you want your lights to turn on, I don't really have much to say about that. So in any case, you can select fixture groups. And here we have our various different groups. I can have all my MX4s be one. But for the most part, I like each fixture separately. And that'll just make your lights act all crazy every time there's a beat. So that's about it. Have a fantastic day.